Hey everyone, and welcome back to CG Money 24/7, your one-stop shop for all things online income. Today, I'm pumped to share a super chill way to rake in some serious cash online, even if you're starting from scratch. We're talking about earning a cool $150 or more every single day. And guess what? It doesn't involve any complicated tech skills, fancy degrees, or selling your soul to the internet gods. This method is all about simplicity and flexibility. Whether you've got a few spare minutes or a few hours to kill, you can use this strategy to pad your bank account without breaking a sweat. Intrigued? I thought so. Let's dive right in. Alright friends, let's cut to the chase. The secret sauce to effortless online earnings is, drumroll please, microtasks. Microtasks, you ask? Sounds kinda small time. Hold your horses, my friend, because microtasks are anything but. These bite-sized online jobs are simple, straightforward, and surprisingly lucrative. Think of it like this. Remember those easy money gigs you did back in college, like taking surveys or participating in focus groups? Microtasks are like their cooler, more modern cousin. You'll find a massive variety of microtasks online, from data entry and image tagging to social media interactions and even transcribing audio. The best part? You can pick and choose the tasks that tickle your fancy, work at your own pace, and get paid for every completed task. Ready to jump on this microtask money train? Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a way to make the most of your spare time, the world of microtasking is open to everyone. All you need is an internet connection, a bit of curiosity, and the willingness to try something new. Awesome! The first stop on our journey is finding the perfect platform to connect you with these lucrative gigs. With so many options out there, it can feel overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Think of these platforms like bustling online marketplaces where businesses and individuals post all sorts of micro-tasks, everything from data entry and surveys to content moderation and product testing. Eager beavers like you can swoop in, pick the tasks that interest you, and complete them for a sweet, sweet reward. It's flexible, fast, and you're in control of what you take on. There are tons of reputable microtask platforms out there, but a few of the heavy hitters include Amazon Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, and Prolific. Each of these platforms has built a strong reputation for offering a steady stream of tasks and reliable payments, making them favorites among microtaskers worldwide. Each platform has its own unique vibe, task variety, and payment structure, so it's worth exploring a few to find the one that tickles your fancy. Some focus more on quick surveys, while others offer creative gigs or technical tasks. Take your time to browse, sign up, and see which platform feels right for you. Don't be afraid to shop around, compare, and contrast until you find your perfect match. Remember, the best platform for you is the one that fits your interests, schedule, and goals. So dive in, experiment, and get ready to start earning on your own terms. Once you've found a micro-task platform that speaks to your soul, it's time to sign up and create your very own money-making profile. Most platforms make the sign-up process a breeze. You'll typically need to provide your email address, create a secure password, and maybe answer a few basic questions about your skills and interests. Think of your profile as your online resume for the micro-task world. It's your chance to shine and show potential clients why you're the ultimate micro-tasking machine. Be sure to highlight your skills, experience, even if it's just everyday stuff, and any languages you're fluent in. A well-crafted profile can make all the difference in attracting high-paying tasks and building a stellar reputation on the platform. With your profile polished to perfection, it's time for the fun part. Diving headfirst into the exciting world of microtasks. Browse the available tasks on your chosen platform, filtering by category, pay rate, or even required skills. Remember, the key to microtask mastery is all about finding tasks that you enjoy and excel at. Don't be afraid to experiment and try out different types of tasks until you find your groove. As you complete tasks and build a positive track record, you'll unlock access to higher-paying gigs and even special opportunities reserved for top-rated workers. Okay, Pat, you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but how can I really make $150 or more per day with these micro-tasks? Maybe you're skeptical, or maybe you've tried side hustles before and found them too demanding or time-consuming, but here's the thing. Microtasks are designed for people who want results without a huge commitment. You don't need to be a productivity guru or a workaholic to make this work for you. The beauty of microtasks lies in their flexibility and scalability. Anyone can get started, no matter your background or schedule. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone juggling a full-time job, you can fit microtasks into your life. You can work whenever you want, wherever you want, and for as long or as little as you want. There's no boss breathing down your neck, no rigid hours, and no need to commute. You're in control, and that's what makes this approach so appealing, especially if you value your freedom or have a busy lifestyle. While individual microtasks might pay a few cents or $1 each, the key is to develop a system for tackling them efficiently and consistently. Think of it like building a habit. Once you get into the rhythm, it becomes second nature, and you'll be surprised at how quickly those small payments add up. Set aside dedicated microtasking time each day, even if it's just for 30 minutes during your lunch break or an hour before bed. Consistency is more important than intensity. Even on your laziest days, you can still make progress by chipping away at tasks bit by bit. As you become more familiar with the platforms and the tasks themselves, you'll naturally develop shortcuts and strategies to maximize your output and earnings. Over time, you'll discover which tasks pay best, which ones you enjoy, and how to streamline your workflow for maximum efficiency. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a six-figure microtask empire. It takes patience and persistence, but every little bit you do today lays the foundation for bigger results tomorrow. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as your earnings snowball over time. Even if you're lazy or short on time, this method works because it's built for real life, one small step at a time. Subscribe now. If you're looking for simple, effective ways to boost your income from the comfort of your own home, you're in the right place. This channel is all about making money online with minimal effort, so don't miss out on any of our future tips and tricks. And there you have it, folks. You've just discovered a straightforward, beginner-friendly method to start earning real cash online. Imagine celebrating your first payout with friends or treating yourself to something special. All thanks to a few minutes of work each day. The laziest way to make $150 or more per day online, even if you're starting from square one. No fancy skills, no expensive equipment, and no complicated setup required, just your device, an internet connection, and a willingness to try something new. Microtasks are the perfect way to dip your toes into the world of online income without the stress, commitment, or learning curve of more complex methods. You can work at your own pace, choose the tasks that interest you, and build up your earnings over time. It's flexible, accessible, and designed for anyone who wants to make extra money without turning their life upside down. So, what are you waiting for? The opportunity to start earning is right at your fingertips. Take action today and see how quickly those small efforts can add up to big rewards. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on another money-making tip. We're always sharing new strategies, updates, and ways to maximize your online income, so stay tuned. And while you're at it, give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to embrace the lazy life and start earning passive income online. Your support helps us reach more people who want to change their financial future, just like you. Until next time, keep hustling. Or not, if you're sticking to the microtask game plan, and I'll catch you in the next video. Remember, making money online doesn't have to be hard. Stay motivated, stay curious, and let's make bank together.